In this video, I'm going to show you how to unhide an already hidden folder. So in this desktop, there are two folders that are hidden that you cannot see because they have been, the control has been sent to hide. So to unhide those folders, all you need is to open any folder that you have. You can come to any folders, just select any folder, and you can come to the three dots over here, click, and then come to options. You can go to view over here from general. So you can see this one is set to don't show hidden files, folders, or drives. So I want to show hidden files, folders, or drives now. So once I hit on apply, those two folders are going to come back to life. So let's go back to the desktop. So you can see we have these two folders. You can see them, this one, long form, and this one. But if you look at them now, they are kind of not clear because they are just coming out. They are still shown as hidden folders. So to confirm that, you just need to right click, come to show more options. You can come to properties and you can see they are tagged hidden. Now you have to uncheck this and then hit on apply to be able to bring them fully. So you can do that to this folder only, or to even subfolders within this folder. So you can say okay to this and okay to this, and this folder is now back to life. You can do the same for this one as well. Show more options, go to properties, remove the hidden selection and click on apply to this folder only, and then you can hit on OK, and it's now back to a full folder that is visible. If you find this helpful, please leave a like.